Alright, my fellow Pyros. First of all, I'm going to show you what we have new for 2018. These right here are all the Dominator assortments that you see here. These are all brand new to us for 2018. Now this rack right here is also miscellaneous Domino and Dynamite Fireworks. Also all new to us for 2018. And etc, etc. So everything I'm going to show you is brand new for T.C.S. Fireworks for this year. And here we go to the other table. Also, everything you're seeing right now is also brand new to us for 2018. I don't believe that anybody else carries these lines in Rhode Island or Connecticut. Before the 4th of July, we should top off about 500 plus items. No other store within the area even comes close to our selection. They can claim it, but if all they got is a bunch of tables, I don't see how 5 tables is more than what we carry. We handpick all of our items, only the very best names and products for our customers. Okay, now this is some of the items that we did have every year, but also most of it, I would say 90% is all brand new to us for 2018. As you can see, the world-class assortment is always a good seller. Very good product. The Pixie Dust, Zing Zang, No Smoking, The Heat, Electric Frizz, Color Poppers, all brand new for 2018. Snow Combs, that's a new item for 2017. Mind Games, brand new to us, 2018. Heat Wave, also a brand new one. Lucky Me, also another new one. Very, very nice fountain. I have lit a couple of these off already. Jumpin' Jelly Beans. Eye Poppers, probably one of the best sellers we've had for like 6 years straight. Noah's Ark. Hot Burn. And Spill the Beans. Okay, I got one more wall to show you, and then we're going to stop this video and start another one with items that we've already carried and some new stock from other companies. So these right here, this is the 360 Revolution, Fire and Ice, and Loudmouth. Those are all 500 gram fountains. There's the Ladybugs, Mini Cuckoos, Pot Mums, Roar, Burst of Color, very, very nice fountain. Family Delight, also a nice fountain. Assorted. Here's some more 500s over here. Nobody carries more 500 grams than us. We carry over 30 different 500 grams. Here's some brand new assortments to us this year. The Fun Pack, Kids Delight. Up here is the 4th of July. Star assortments. This here is the Breastless. We've been selling this fountain for quite a while. It's a very, very popular item. Frisky Starburst. Don't let the size of this little thing fool you. It is one of our staff picks. And it's only $3.99. And people love them. Fool's Gold. There's some more 500s at the bottom. And there's some brand new sparklers for this year. Fluorescent sparklers also. These are favorites of the store. We've been selling these items here for a couple of years now. Cricket Goblin. Kids love them. Go Bananas. Excellent, excellent item. These are the happiness fountains. These are large happiness fountains. Ground Bloom Flowers. Jumbo Crackling Balls. These things are like a napalm bomb when they go off. Probably the best crackling ball I've ever seen. The sweets. That's the deal of the day, my friends. Only $1.99. And they are amazing. Best $1.99 you'll ever spend. Fantasy, brand new item for 2018. Here's two new more items. Warrior. Once again, 500 grams at the bottom. Night World, my absolute favorite fountain. Whack-A-Mole, another 500 gram fountain. Scarface, one of the best sellers that we carry. 500 gram. One big fountain, another great item. Headless Horseman. World-class item. Anything world-class, you know you're going to be happy with it. Here's some more assortments back here. We have the Thriller. We have the Equalizer. We have the Maximum Impact. Rockstar and Sizzler. And let's go to the medium to small assortments. We got Mix It Up. We have Neon Lights. Revolution. More Sizzlers. More Thrillers. And then the Reaper. Very, very good fountain. Another staff pick. Midsummer Dreams. Good seller. Madness. Brand new item for 2018, folks. Brand new. Here's some classics that we've been selling for several years now. Crystal Crush, Say Cheese, Gridlock, What Just Happened, Ghost Mansion, very, very popular staff pick also. Rock of Ages, Angel's Kiss, M&M, Highballers, Go Girl Go, I Love New York. As you can see, we carry many, many fountains. And this is what I'm showing you on the video is not everything also, because still some things have not come back in stock yet. Alright, let's go to the other side. Now, if you like novelties, we got you covered. We carry over 100 different novelties. So let me go over the novelties real quick with you guys. We got the frogs. We got the mini frogs. We got the turtles. We got the crabs. We got the Hummer H2. We got tanks. We got chicken blowing balloon. We got cock growing at dawn. Speedy 43. Cracker balls. Putt putt puller. Lightning flashes. Large cracker balls. Kids love these things. The Climbing Panda. A different brand of crackling balls. Mini lasers. Magic lights. Great item right here. Ninja Stars. Jack in the Box. Also another unique item. King of Spin. And the no fireworks store would be complete without jumping jacks. Everybody loves those. Ground Bloom Flowers. The Founding Fathers. Blinkers. We got the Dizzy Bees. Another type of magic whips. Happy Lamp. Lotus Lanterns. Jumbo Crackling Ground Bloom Flowers. Snakes. And then of course we just got these in today. The Moonwalker. Snake in the Cave. And the Snappers. And then at the bottom, we definitely have you covered if you want some big items again. Once again, these are all 500 grams I'm showing you at the bottom. Very, very unique. Rhythm and Blues. Been a bestseller for 5 years. Now let's go on the other side. Here's another brand new item from World Class for 2018. War Games. And if you like smoke bombs, nobody carries more smoke than we do. These are all smoke, my friends. There's some more miscellaneous fountains down here. Alright. So no matter what you're looking for, we got you covered. We have items from $1 all the way up to $200 and everywhere in between. The nice long 20-inch sparklers. Number 10 gold. Number 8 colored assorted. Kids love these things right here. These right here, big seller. Whistling Sally's. Zen Master, assorted 5-inch fountain, open flower Happy Bird, space saucer, cuckoo fountains, Rackophobia. Of course, we got the 36-inch Morning Glories, very, very popular item. And we got some more 500s at the bottom. Reality TV, Men of Honor, Behemoth. We got the Nightmare, the Happy, and let's not get the frogs. Everybody loves these frogs, my friends. $9.99. The tents, $29 for the same item. Crushing Candy, very popular. Dancing with Ghosts, Lemon and Lime, Call Me, Purple Haze, Chinatown, Grind My Gears, etc., etc. So when we say on our webpage that we are the largest fireworks store in Rhode Island, here's my video to prove it. Mamma Mia's, another stock pick. Killer Bees, Frosty Mug of Beer, One Tough Cookie. Alright, let's do a little quick walk down to the other side over here. All these items. Here we go. Look at this. Look at this. This is all the Dynamite label. Nobody in Rhode Island carries this label. If you guys want sparklers, we have sparklers. We got you. We carry 30 different types of sparklers. All sizes. Variety of colors. We even have sparklers that whistle. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said, this is not our complete stock. We are expecting more items as soon as they hit the US. And we carry like 500 plus items. We're open 7 days a week. Year round. That's right, year round. No appointment necessary. We close 4 days a year. Christmas, New Year's Day, Easter, and Thanksgiving. Other than that, we're open unless it's during a snowstorm. And as soon as we're able to dig out, we're back up and running. Thank you for watching our video. T.C.S. Fireworks, 272 Main Street, Woonsocket.